What's up guys, in this video, I'm gonna tell you why every Instagrammer needs to have a blog. I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How, and I help people learn how to use technology to build an online business. And if you're an Instagrammer, or if you wanna become an Instagrammer, or if you don't know what an Instagrammer, in my opinion, is someone who uses Instagram to make money. So let's say you're an Instagram influencer, you use it as an affiliate platform, you use it to promote products or services. In any case, you're using Instagram to build a large audience to make money in some form or another. Now, let's talk about why I think every Instagrammer needs a blog. That doesn't mean you have to be a blogger, like blogging articles every day about your life, but you should still have a website. This is why. I recently actually just heard from my sister and friend that a famous Instagrammer got her Instagram account hacked. Yes, that's right. She had over 50,000 Instagram followers and they were gone, just like that. Boom, business over. Income gonzo from Instagram. Now, when that happens, you are probably in your room crying, eating ice cream, and it's terrible. I'm not gonna hide it. It's terrible. I feel terrible when that happens to people. But this is why I always tell people you need to have a blog. You need a blog for your Instagram. Do not solely rely on Instagram for your business. If you do that, you are going to be kicking yourself when your Instagram account gets hacked and your business is gone and you have to start over. Let's talk about why you need a blog for your Instagram business. Even if you're not blogging, let's just say you have a blank website out there on the internet. This is what I would do. I would create a WordPress blog. I'd at least have one page with some sort of free guide or resource that people can download in exchange for their email address. Let's say you're an Instagrammer and you wear really cute clothes and a lot of people like your photos, and so companies pay you to wear their clothes. You don't like blogging, you don't like writing, that's okay. I would create a blog, I'd make a website, I'd make a page, and I would come up with a guide. My top 10 favorite clothing brands. Click here to download. All you need is a name and email address. I'll send it right to your email inbox. Get your blog set up. I've got a full course that teaches you how to do that anyway if you need help with that. But get that set up, and then occasionally on your Instagram, mention you're on Instagram story. Hey-o, make sure you guys go check out the link in my bio because I've got a free guide, top 10 brands that I love. Post on your Instagram. Hey, just a quick reminder, I've got a free resource, free guide on my website that'll talk about the top 10 brands that I love. You're gonna start building your email list. That's the key here with your website. You're gonna have an email list. Once you start building your email list, let's say you've got 10,000 people on your email list and you've got 20,000 on your Instagram. Instagram goes away. For whatever reason, like Vine, it's gone, boom, Vine's over, gone. Instagram, gone for some reason. You now have an email list of 10,000 people who followed you on Instagram, who will follow you to the next platform. The next photogrammer comes out, the app that comes out, that's all the rage, email. Hey guys, just set up my photogrammer account. Here's my link, make sure you go follow me. Boom, 10,000 followers. That's why you need a blog, people, to back up all of that hard work. All of those followers, all of those people that are following you on social media, whether that's YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever, send them to an email list so that when any of those platforms go kaput, you still have all those followers. You have the list. There's nothing that can take that list away from you. Nothing can shut that down from you. You have that. You can store it. You can store it on a hard drive and like lock it in a safe in your house if you want. But once you have that, when the next platform comes, when the next thing, the next trend comes, you send all your followers, you send your audience to the new platform, and you don't have to worry. You don't have to lose sleep thinking, if Instagram ends tomorrow, I'm fine. Because I have all my followers, I can send them to the next platform. That's why you need to start a blog, people. I've got a link in this video, right below this video, that will show you exactly step-by-step how to start a blog. It is the best resource you can find for the best platform and hosting you can find today to get your blog started for a very low, affordable price. So make sure you go check that out. Learnhowblogging.com, write it down, go back later on your computer if you need to. But get started with your blog, please. Back up your stuff. I feel so bad when I see these Instagrammers getting hacked and they lose all of their hard work and they didn't have a backup or some sort of platform to recover all of those followers. So go start your blog today, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Andy Isom. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you're watching other videos. See you next time.